Hello guys, this is an update for my high frequency power supply that it has broken after 5 hours charging to my 12 volts 100Ah battery pack. I start checking from 220 input and I found out the fuse is broken. This fuse, which can handle up to 6.3 amp and 250 volts. So if I multiply that 6.3 amp to 220 volts, this fuse can handle up to 1200 watts, more or less. Moving forward up to here, this bridge diode, it's also good until to this capacitor. And then I moved to this area. I found out that this transistor is broken, and then I replace it and then try, still not working. And then I check every resistor and also the diode, and I found out only this 2 resistor is broken, but the stock resistor is this one, a tiny one. The resistance to this resistor is 2.6 ohms and 2 watts. I replaced the same resistance, which is 2.6 ohms, but the watts is 5, so that's why it's bigger than this. Then after installing this one, the resistor and the transistor still not working, so I checked this area also, but all good, even this IC. And then moving forward, going to the discharge or output, I check this Scotty diode, this one. This is the stock Scotty diode, which can handle up to 10 amp, and 2 of these are broken, so I replace a new one which is bigger ampere, 60 ampere each, so in total of 120 amp. Plug it in, and the result is positive. So I'll check the voltage out. Sixteen volts, 148. Guys, if you have any questions in regards to this, kindly please comment to the comment section box, and I will reply as early as my opportunity. Thank you for watching, guys. See you to my next video.